The course was excellent in providing us with real industry interactions. So we had cyber industry partners come in and give us assignments to work on, which was really good. We got to discuss our assignments with them and how it would be done in real industry life. On my final dissertation, I collaborated with the Royal Mint, and that ended up with the subsequent interview and employment here today. At the Royal Mint, I manage the cyber governance, risk and compliance, including the technology risk management for the entire organisation. The course definitely provided me with the core concepts I needed for cybersecurity to enable me to do my job successfully. I really enjoyed the practical aspect of the course and the hands-on experience that you had, because it really helped the theory side stick and you could understand the concepts a little bit better. For anyone who's considering doing this course, just go for it. The course, the instructors, the content and the links with industry are fantastic, and it gives you the best opportunity to have a great career in cyber.